Hello friends, so today we will do something creative with the help of Python programming language. Today I will show you how we can create a Python script to download wallpapers from our website in one go. So whenever we want to download wallpapers from a website, you may notice that most of the wallpaper downloading websites places the wallpapers like that. Every time you download a wallpaper, you need to open a new page. Like you can see in this website, if I want to download this wallpaper, then I need to click on this image and then a new page will load, and then I need to click on this link to download the wallpaper. Let's see. But what if we can download all these wallpaper automatically? So all we need to do is create a Python script, and this script will run in background and download all the wallpapers. The script will be website specific. That's why I will teach you how we can create a script like that. So I'm choosing this website wallpapersite.com. We can see a category list here. So I will make a script like that. It will download each category at once. So first I will choose anime category. Anime. So first thing we need to do, we need to understand the layout of this website. So what I see in this website is wallpapers are categorized in these categories. Each category has number of pages, like this category has 22 pages. Each page has 12 wallpaper links. You can see 12 wallpaper links here. And these are only links to the page and not to the original file. Means if I click on this link, it will take me to another page where the original file link is available. So what I will do, I will make a loop which will open each page one by one and get all the 12 links from each page, and then I will make another child loop which will get all the original download links. But first let's take a look how the URL of second page looks like. I will click on this link, page number 2, and as we can see, we can access all the pages using one URL and suffixing the page number at the end of the URL. So this will be our base URL, and then we will suffix this page number using the for loop. So let's start coding. I have already imported required modules. So I will start with 3 variables: site, next is category, and I choose first category as anime, and then pages. I have 22 pages in this category, 22, and then I will put a for loop here for I in range pages. But before that we need to create a session using this requests module, requests session. Next is I will get the HTML page from the internet using the get function of our connection session. So S is then I need to put the URL. So first is site plus then / plus category plus, as you can see, the base URL is this, and then remove 2 and then convert this I +1 to string, this is our base URL, and then I will convert this response to text. I need to assign this object to page, and then I will parse this page to BeautifulSoup object. BeautifulSoup page html.parser. Next is we need to get to the 12 links in the page or each page. So let's take a look at this website again, and right click on here and click inspect. And as you can see, there is a division tag which contains all 12 required URLs. The ID of this div is pix list, and if you know a little HTML and CSS, you know that IDs are unique, means this ID is a unique identifier for this div tag. On the other hand, a single class can be assigned to multiple elements. So now using find function of object BeautifulSoup, we will find our div tag, find, and then the tag name div, and the attributes like ID is pix list. So this will become the object of our div tag. Inside this div tag, we need to find our 12 required links. So if you know a little JavaScript, then go to console and type this code, pix list, which is the ID of the div, and then we need to find the anchor tag here, and then length, and this div tag contains only 12 links and no other link. It means that all 12 links are of image pages. So this time we need to find all the anchor tags. So I will use the function find all, and then a. Remember that this function only gets the first element, and this function gets all the elements wherever the condition meet. This returns a list of tags. Each element has an attribute href, hyperlink reference. So now we'll use list comprehension technique to get all the hrefs. So I will apply a loop here for I in this, and then I will get the href element, href attribute, and then I will put this in square brackets, and then I will assign this to a temp variable. So at this moment we have a list of 12 URLs on each page. Next we will create a child loop to get all the original URLs. So let's start for j in temp. This will iterate all the 12 URLs one by one. We will repeat the same thing, get the page, the city page, and I will change the URL. So if you notice the URL here, inspect, and you will notice that we need to add the site name. We need to prefix the site name here. So I am prefixing the site name here, and then I will use the image page URL. Again we will pass this page to a BeautifulSoup object, page HTML parser. Next, we need to check the location of original URL. So I will open this page, and here is our original URL, and then I will right click and inspect. As you can see, the class of this URL is original. So we will check how many elements of tag anchor are available with the same class name. So we will go to the console again and type this command: a anchor tag dot class name is original, and I need to put this in brackets, and then length. We find only one, which makes our task a little easy. Next is, we will find this element using find, and then a where class is original, and then get the href of this element, and then assign this to a variable image URL. So now we got the original URL, but next we need to download this file. So first get the image name. You can choose your own method to get the image name, like using I and j index, but I want to keep the original file name, so I will choose this method. First I will split this URL, image URL split, using the forward, and then I will convert this to a tuple, so that I can easily get the last element of this tuple using the negative index -1. Next is get the file from the internet. Very similar to getting a page, but there is only one difference. This time we got the text. Sorry, that time we got the text, but this time we will get the content. So I will copy this and then rename this to file, and scat site plus image URL, then change the text to content. So next I will use the open function to open the file, open a file stream. First argument is file location. I'm using the current directory, so I'm not providing the whole URL, but you can give the URL as per your convenience. So I will put the file name, and if you want to add a specific directory, then you need to mention the directory here in this like this, but I don't want to give this directory. I want to use my current directory. Next argument is mode, which will be wb write binary, and sorry, now the last one, we need to use the write object function, and we will give the file object here, this file object, which has the contents of our file. So our script is completed. We can execute this and see the results. Let's execute this file. Wallpapers are started downloading. This website is a little slower, that's why the wallpaper are are taking a lot of time downloading. And if you want to download other categories, you just need to change these two variables, change the category name and page number according to the category you want. As you can see, the wallpapers are downloading automatically. I'm not doing anything right now. All the tasks is being done by the script that we have created. So this is all for this video. If you want this script for another website, you can post the URL of that website in the comments. I will provide the script to you, and thanks for watching.